Hello everybody. Wanted to do a video here on air conditioners since the summer's coming up and everybody's going to be using them. Biggest problem with air conditioners, problems people have with them, is they get dirty and they don't clean them and they stop putting out cold air and they think the air conditioner's junk. Most of the time it's just dirt in there on the coils of them. So I'm going to show you how to clean them. I already prepped this one. Not every air conditioner will come apart the same as this one, but I already prepped it so I can show you guys faster here. The front pops off of this one, and as you can see, the filter on this one is pretty dirty, but you can clean this without taking it all apart. I'll show you how to clean these when I do the rest of this. You have these coils here on the front. Sometimes they get dirty. They're not as bad. Usually the one that gets dirty the worst is the back one here, which will take this cover off here. And I don't know if you can see all the dirt down in here or not, and the buildup. But they get dirty really bad down here around the fan and behind them. A product I use a lot on them is Coil Clean. It's made by Ludmark. I think I paid about $16 for this gallon of it. Just take you a little bit of it, spray it, put it in an old spray bottle. Take and spray the front coil really good. And you'll want to leave a soak on them for about 5 minutes. You'll want to spray this back part really good and the inside of it. And after you do this, you'll have to hose it off with a water hose. And I'd recommend leaving it set at least 24 hours and let it air dry good before you put it back together. Getting the inside part sprayed good on this part here is kind of hard. And you'll want to come back here and spray the back side of it. Spray it really good till you got the whole coil soaked. I'm not going to wait the 5 minutes. That way I can show you guys this and get the video done for you. But on your filter that goes on the inside here that slides over from the side, you just take the water hose, spray it off good. And you'll want to let that air dry. Set it right here. I usually take the covers, I'll hose those off a little bit. You may have to take a brush to them to get them a little bit more clean. When you spray these out with the water hose though, the electrical part over in here where the knobs are, you'll want to try to not get those real wet. But just start off, rinse your front one lightly. And you'll want to come back to this back one and you'll want to spray it really good. Always when you're doing this, make sure you got it unplugged. That way you don't get electrocuted or anything. And after you do that, you'll want to kind of dump the water out a little bit of the pan. And if you got an air compressor, you can take an air hose and an air nozzle and blow the water out of it some. But still let it set overnight or at least 24 hours and let it air dry before you put it back together and try to use it. But that's the biggest problem with the air conditioners. They get dirty, people think they're junk, they throw them away, buy a new one, which could add up to a lot of money. And another issue with them is they get bent up on back on the coils here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but they get bent like that and it don't let the air flow through them. So I'll make another video on that, on how to fix those. Other than that, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great week, everybody. Bye.